Well, hey there, and welcome back to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. You probably don't know, but one of my least favorite foods is seafood. But one of my favorite things that involves seafood and one of my favorite things on the Chinese buffet is Crab Rangoon. You know those little wonton pockets full of cream cheese and crab. Well, I love it so much, and I thought it would be great to take that Crab Rangoon and turn it into a pizza. We're doing it here in my kitchen, Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, now. We're gonna start with the pizza crust. I just got this store-bought one. I've never actually tried those Boba Lee pizza crusts. Well, this is the store brand, and I'm gonna give it a try today. I got my pizza stone. I'm gonna put this on top of the pizza stone. I'm gonna get a little oil, and I'm gonna spread some oil on top. You may not know this, but Crab Rangoon is not a Chinese delicacy. Crab Rangoon is actually American, similar to General Tso's chicken. Crab Rangoon was a Polynesian dish at a Polynesian restaurant in San Francisco, Trader Vic's. Have you heard of that? Well, yes, that's where Crab Rangoon got its start, at Trader Vic's restaurant in the 1950s. I've softened some cream cheese, and I'm gonna spread it on top of that pizza dough. I've chopped up some green onions that I'm just gonna sprinkle on top of that cream cheese. I got some Flaked style imitation crab that I'm just gonna tear apart and put on top. I'm gonna sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top. And now I'm just gonna bake it in the oven according to the crust directions. I got some sweet and sour dipping sauce. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna drizzle it on the top of my already cooked pizza. Slice it up. Well, here it is. It doesn't look too fabulous on that crust, but I'm here for the flavors. Let's see how it tastes. Does it taste like a Crab Rangoon? It definitely does. Love that cream cheese and that sweet and sour sauce. And just like a Crab Rangoon, the crab doesn't shine too much. All I really taste is cream cheese, which is how I love it. This is wonderful. Thank you so much for watching today on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel, okay? Thanks for giving me your time, and have a wonderful day. How do crabs get around on land? They use the sidewalk.